We are starting the Paso por Bulería with the step which is called recogida, like collecting something before starting the step. That would be the translation. And we start on number 6 with the right foot. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the recogida. Pa, y, pa, y, pa, a, y. And this is the beginning of the real step por bulería. So we do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, and now we do golpe, golpe. Stay in front, pa, slide, y, pa, pa. Golpe, golpe, slide, y, tacón, planta. The accent go on the 2 golpes. Pa, 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 Try to keep your front, okay, with this step without doing things like this just because we are doing the steps. Keep the front. So, this is the traditional Paso por Bulería. Let's do it again from the recogida. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we do a small variation, a rhythmic variation with this. And we do Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, 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 pa, 1. We introduce this mechanism. Pa, pa, ta, 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 pa, 1, pa, pa, ta, 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 pa. So we can switch from one to the other indistinctly. So we can switch from one to the other. Let's do it again. Do, re, y, pa, 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 pa. Now we prepare for the other one. Oh, pa, a, y, pa. Eso es. With the body, we need to go down and go with the step here and twist to the right side. So, do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2. And we keep leaning forward here. Do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2, pa, ta, ta, ta. Let's go back to the first option. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, pa, pa. The second one. And we can also raise one arm if you want. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, so we can either use the arms here down all the time or switching from this one to opening from one side to the other.